review. All right, so it's time. Let's review. Okay.
All right, everybody. Welcome back. These are going to be pages 37 and 38 over here, and it is the Let's Review pages, and they cover units 3 and 4. So we have to remember what we learned in units 3 and 4. Part A just says look and write, and we're going to answer these kind of questions. What are these and what is this? All right, here we go. What are these? 1, 2, so we're going to write there. And remember that there means they are. Okay, and we use they when it's more than one, and are matches to they. So here we go. There, they are their cell phones. C-E-L-L space P-H-O-N-E-S. Their cell phones. Number 2, it's only one thing. So the question is, what is this? There's one thing, we write it's. And if you remember, it's equals one thing. So it means one thing, and it matches to is. So it is means it's. All right, so write it's. And this is a pencil case. A pencil case. Don't forget to put a space. Number 3, what are these? Okay, is it one or more than one? More than one? Good, so should we use there or it's? There, more than one. So there, or they are. There. And what are these? CDs. Good, CDs. They're CDs. Part A is done. Okay, this is part B. It just says read and write. So we are missing 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. The questions are over here in this box, so we can just pick the right one. Okay, number 1. We can just trace. Who's he? Whose? It's the question word for a person. He. He's my brother. Whose he is done. Number 2. Their cell phones. Should we say who's she? What are these? Or what's this? Well, not who, because this is only for people. So we have to pick what are these or what's this. And there are 3, so I think we should pick this one, because are is more than one and these is more than one. Let's write that. What are these? Their cell phones. Okay, that's done. Number 3. It's a computer. Okay, we can't pick who because that's for people. We can pick what. This is what I ask when I want to know about a thing. So what's this? What's this? It's a computer. Last one. She's my mother. Okay, we do who's she? Who's she? She's my mother. Part B is done. Turn the page. Okay, this is part C, and it asks us to trace and write, and we're gonna make 2 sentences. 1, 2, about each picture. So to make 1 sentence about it being the grandfather, and 1 sentence about it being old. Okay, let's start. Who's he? He's my grandfather. Grandfather. He's my grandfather. Okay, now 1 more sentence. He's old. H-E-S space O-L-D. Okay, number 1's done. Number 2, who's she? She's my, this boy is talking, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Now let's tell about her. She's, which means she is, she's what, old, young? No, pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. She's pretty. Part C is all done. And this is part D. It just says look and circle. So let's look at the picture and then we're going to circle the correct adjective. Okay, is she tall or short? She's tall. Is he handsome or pretty? He's a man, so handsome. Is she a sister or a mother? I think she's a sister. Is she a baby sister or a brother? I'm pretty sure a baby sister. Is she young or old? She's old. Is he a brother or a father? I think he's a brother. And we are all done. Great job, everybody.